Hello and welcome to Hot Tech Tip. Today we're going to start a series of lessons about using the functions that are built into Excel. You can access the functions in one of two ways. One of the easiest ways is to simply click on this F of X button and it will reveal the built-in functions. So you have categories, you have your most recently used functions. You can list all of them from A to Z, or you can break them down by category. Financial, and each one, if you click on it, here's future value. You have to enter the rate, the number of payments per, the payment value, and type. Each of these are explained typically within the function as you're entering them. So then we have date and time functions, things that will convert, weekdays, today, for instance, today, there's no other functions, I just hit OK, and there's today. So these are some of the things, and let's go take a look at the rest. There's also math and trigonometry, statistical lookups, lookup and reference, database functions, text functions, logical functions, and if error, things like this. We're going to talk about all of these over time. Information, returning whether or not a cell is blank or a cell has an error, if the number is even. And then we're also going to talk about, practical uses for these. Then we have cube, compatibility, and web functions. Some fantastic and fun stuff to learn. The other way to get into a function is just to type an equal sign. And if you know the function, you can just type it. So let's say, for instance, I have over here, let me escape out of here. I have in this column 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if I want to sum these columns, I can just simply type an equal sign. That puts me into the function mode. And if I know the function name, I can just simply type it, and it will show all the ones that start with this. So I want to do sum. It adds all the numbers in a range of cells. So I start with a parentheses. I highlight the cells that I want to sum, close parentheses, hit enter, and there's the total. So I can change this to maybe a 4. My total should change. So this is the beginning. Hot Tech Tip. We're going to start looking at every function. Stay tuned. I think the next one we're going to do is VLOOKUP. Thanks for tuning in.